Hi everybody, it's Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're going to be making spaghetti salad. My son's been after me for a couple months and I finally sit down and I'm going to do it. Plus I love it. I don't know why I haven't done it sooner, but you get little things get in front of you. I've got my spaghetti on. I just used regular spaghetti and I put a tablespoon of salt in it and it's boiling. It's been boiling for a few minutes. And you can put anything in this that you like. My favorite things is tomatoes, cucumbers, and maybe a little onion. I was just using onion tops today. I do not like this. It's not one of my favorite ones for some reason. I always pick up the wrong one. You know how it is. Anytime I go, this is one of the prettiest things you can take to a social or something you're going to, a barbecue. It's always so pretty if you put, just pretty a little bit of color in it. That's all we have to do. And so I'm going to chop it up. And small pieces. If you use too much in spaghetti salad, it's hard to eat. That's my theory anyway. I'm just going to cut this big long English cucumber. Of course, fresh cucumbers are better, but you can't get them this time of year. They're not truly fresh. It seemed like summer was so quickly this year. Nothing just came in and went so quickly, except for apples. We have had the prettiest apple year. You never know. Never know. Now I put, this is just a few little onion tops I pulled out of my garden. Very few, but I figured I might as well use them while I have them. Let me check my spaghetti. Another minute. And it's got a little teeny piece of red pepper, just because it's such a pretty color. Now, I use black olives. Now, you don't have to use any olives. You can use red olives. Anything you want to use in here, it's up to you. Any vegetable you want to use is up to you. I love the black olives though. Just a little bit of tomato. Now, go ahead and put I use Italian dressing. And the thing about it is, that's not one I know, but it is so much better if you make it like on Saturday night, make it somewhere on Sunday. I think it's better if it's set, but it's good this way too. Okay, now I've got my spaghetti cooling. I wash it in cold water. Let's put a little bit of extra. Let's put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, about a half teaspoon each. I love celery salt, about a half teaspoon, and of course, some garlic salt. Now, Stir this up. I think I need another tomato. Of course, you can add to it when you, after you take it out and get it cut up, you can add more stuff. That's certainly allowed. Okay, so I got 2 tomatoes, English cucumber, a little bit of onion tops, little chives, and green or black olives. I'm going to need something bigger. I think we'll put it on this one and have it right. Do any of you still have one of these? This is now 50 years old. I don't know why. I've never gotten rid of it, and I'm going to keep it. My kids can get rid of it. I didn't pay any attention to it. I just always used it. I always had other ones too. But my son said, "Mother, do you know how long you've had that?" And I said, "No." He said, "Well, you had it when I was a baby." And so he's 55. But I remember when he was growing up, there used to be Tupperware parties. I don't guess they give those anymore. Okay, I'm going to put Italian on this. And I'm going to put about half a bottle. And because tomorrow you're probably going to have to use the other half a bottle. It does sort of take it up. Oh, this looks so wonderful. We do love this. And it's everything that you like in a salad. Of course, I'm a pasta person. I think I've made that clear. Oh, goodness. How could you not be a pasta person? Although I've got a daughter that doesn't like pasta. Don't know who she belonged to. Okay. Let's try just a little bit. See if it needs anything. Also, you can cut your pasta up a little bit so it doesn't, you don't have to. Oh. That probably is going to be each tomorrow, before tomorrow, to add the rest of it to it. Well, that's a simple little salad. And you certainly can see how pretty it is. It's so pretty. I do like to put it in one of these because I like to put the top on it. And then when I get it out, I can shake it, over real good. So try it. It's a good side dish. It's a good side dish to take somewhere. It's a good side dish for any meal. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy it tonight if you make it. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.